Forget the hot dogs! The Balkan King has arrived!
The texture is perfect, Flav. They're bouncing like a soccer ball.
It's the Cevapi Championship!
Let's score a goal for Bosnia. Welcome.
Welcome to FlavLab! Today's MVP? Authentic Ćevapi. Here's the winning lineup.
Add the salt and the secret weapon, baking soda. This is the key to that springy texture. Mix it for 10 minutes. Then, let it rest in the fridge. Let it rest in the fridge. A rested team is a winning team.
Garlic, paprika, and sparkling water. It keeps the team light and moist. 12 hours later, it's game time. Let's shape the strikers. Step 1. The meat blend. 1 kg of high-quality beef. Give it some muscle.
Make them uniform. We want every Ćevapi to perform at 100%.
Assembly time! Stuff the Lepinja with 10 Ćevapi köftes. And don't forget the Ajvar.
The sweet and smoky red pepper relish.
Look at that steam! The bread is drinking the flavor. The sides, finely sliced red onions.
And a mountain of Kajmak. Pro tip, slice the Lepinja. Place it over the grilling meat. Place it over the grilling meat. Steam it.
The Lepinja bread, soft, airy, and ready for the meat juices.
Serve it hot. The Balkan Stadium King is ready for the fans.
Flip the Ćevapi. We want that beautiful char on all sides.
Subscribe to FlavLab for more stadium food legends.
Bounce! Sizzle! Oh, Bosnia! This is a world-class goal! I need more! I'm going for the hat trick! No, the 10 trick! Wait! Wait! The Ajvar is giving me a smoky kick! Vamonos!
The onions provide the perfect crunch. It's a balanced formation.
Like and share! Tell us, Ajvar or Kajmak? Which one is your captain?
And the bread is so soft, tactical perfection. Always rest your meat for at least 12 hours for that authentic texture. For that authentic springy texture. Let's make some street food!
Fast cut. Rolling köftes.
Watch that flatbread, it is steaming fast.
Let's turn up the heat and get cooking.
Fresh ingredients make all the difference.
Fast cut, the big bite. Now that's what I call flavor.
Woo!
Welcome back to FlavLab.
Let's make the ultimate burger.
Perfect patties, ready for the grill.
Baking soda sparkle.
And don't forget to steam the bread. It's the secret to a happy Lepinja. Welcome to the official FlavLab channel.
where we bring you the freshest and most vibrant recipes.
Let's get cooking.
Stay springy.
Cheers from Bosnia. Enjoy the match. Outro, Flav kafasında köfte sektirmeye çalışıyor.
You think the stadium party is over? We're crossing the ocean for the undisputed champion of game day bites.